Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about Avada. You guys asked the questions about Albata and I went to find the answers. And actually, I do think I'm going to have to do an Albata series, okay? Because I got so many questions, too many questions to put into this one video. So I hope you guys will make sure that you stick around and watch the next video that I post for Albata. Because if you're not already a part of the coupon crew, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below, hit that bell for notifications so you know when I come on and post another video to help you guys take your couponing to a whole nother level, okay? Right, lovely people, let's dive into your questions. The first lovely person's question was this: I did back-to-back deals and now have to take pics of all my products from the second receipt. How long does it usually take for your deals to reset? The answer to that question is that can vary. You have no way of being able to be assured of when a rebate is going to reset and how long it would take for it to reset. I would say typically, a day or two, maybe, but that is not a guarantee. Example, Hungry Jack is limit 5. You buy 1. Should I wait 2 or more days to go back and do it again? All right, so if I'm understanding this person correctly, what they did, they bought multiple items. Now, first of all, with the rebates on Avada, the rebates have a limit, maybe limit of 1, maybe a limit of 2, maybe a limit of 5. Meaning, if you are purchasing this candy, for instance, and it says a limit of 5, you can purchase 5 of these one time, same receipt, upload your receipt, get your money back for all 5. Okay, now, if it says a limit of 2 and you purchase 5, you're going to get the 2 back. You're going to get the money back for the 2 that you purchased. But you're just taking a chance on getting money back for the other 3 because you have no guarantee that that rebate is going to come back. You have no guarantee that it's going to reset. So keep that in mind, okay? My strategy is, and you guys always know what my strategy is. My strategy is to do it one time. I do the rebate one time. Even if it says 5, I'll do it one time, because I'm banking on it's going to reset again, but I'm not out any money if it does not reset. You get what I'm saying? Next question, lovely people. I would like to know how to pay with Avada, please, and thank you for the videos. Well, you are welcome. Right, so how we're gonna do that is this. Number 1, you're gonna start by entering and saving your payment information from the account page. Select gift cards, payment methods, then select add debit card and follow the prompts. Head to a participating retailer where you'd like to purchase product or services. You can see a full list of participating retailers on the home screen in the gift cards category. Number 3, select the retailer where you're shopping and enter the total amount of your purchase. Number 4, select review, charge the money. Once you select charge, your payment method will be charged for the amount entered and you'll earn cash back on this amount instantly. Then simply present your gift card number to the cashier as payment. All right. Now, I personally have never done that. What I normally do is my PayPal is linked to my Avada account. Okay. Now, I would like to say this. I don't want you guys to ever leave your money just sitting on your Avada app or any rebate app. Okay. Make sure you're moving your money as you earn it. Move it. Don't leave it sitting there because you have no control over that app. If something happens with the app, if they lock you out of it, your money will just be sitting there and you won't be able to take advantage of it, okay? So move your money over. Now, mine, I move it to my PayPal account. From my PayPal account, I have a business debit card that is linked to that account. My money is immediately available on my business debit account. Okay. Now, I've since learned that there is a debit card, or I believe it's a MasterCard through PayPal, that you could go on the PayPal website and obtain that. Okay. Now, if you choose to do that, I think that's a good way. You could do that. That way, when you roll it to your PayPal account, you'll have something that you can actually use to actually do more rebates, because that's the key to using rebate apps with your couponing. Doing the rebates, redeeming the money, using the money to do more rebates to get more, on and on and on and on. Okay? All right. So I hope that answered that question. Now, my sister, when she does Avada, she actually takes her Albata money. And of course, if you guys are new, you have to have at least $20 on your Albata in order to be able to redeem and, cash it out for gift cards. And that's what my sister does. She actually will cash out her Albata for an actual gift card, and she will actually have her money to go there, and she will use it 9 times out of 10 in Walmart by showing the gift card on the phone. Okay. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Now, when you decide to, say for instance, you're wanting to purchase gift cards through Avada, you have to link your bank account or your debit card or whatever you're going to use through your bank. And they do use, encrypted, safe banking principles on the Avada app. Okay. If I didn't feel they did, I would not be using it. Okay. So this question kind of ties into what we just talked about. This person said that they cashed out to PayPal, but Walmart couldn't scan PayPal from their phone. I think I have to get a debit card from PayPal and then use that when shopping. So my question is how to use PayPal with Avada. Okay. And it's basically just like I said. I would recommend that that's what you do, that you do that. That way you can use that debit card through PayPal. And I have been using PayPal for years, guys. PayPal is safe. I use it for my other business, Classy Accents. I have had no problem with PayPal, guys. I've been using them for years for my credit card swiper when people purchase things in person and online, and I like PayPal. Okay, so I see no reason why you guys would not be okay going to PayPal and actually getting a debit card that you would be able to use exclusively for your Avada or your other rebate apps, and you have it linked, and that way you're able to do your couponing and not have it mixed with your money. You do not want to have your earned employment business money mixed in with your couponing money. And the reason why, because you will be Sally or Sam Swiper swiping your card and not realizing how much money you're really spending couponing, because we are getting good deals, but we are paying tax, guys, and we don't want to not know how much money we're spending. So I think having that card will just take your couponing to a whole nother level. Okay. All right. Question, guys, is how do you choose what rebates/stores you're going to do? Do you weigh out the sales week at the store or the amount you receive from rebate? Example, Walmart and Kroger may have the same rebate available. However, Kroger rebate may be higher. This is a perfect example. Remember when I did the rebate for the Philadelphia brand cream cheese? The Philadelphia brand cream cheese was priced $1.96 in my Walmart. There was a 50 cents Avada rebate. The rebate is going to be the same price, I'm pretty sure, across the board for whatever store, okay? If it's going to be at Food Line, it's going to be 50 cents. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I've ever seen it to where you actually got a higher rebate at a different store. Let me know in the comments below, okay? Now, just because you have a rebate at Walmart does not mean you're going to have that same rebate at another store. That's for the new people all the way in the back, okay? Now, at Harris Teeter, I had that same 50 cent rebate on my Albata app under Harris Teeter. But the thing was, that particular week, the Philadelphia brand cream cheese was on sale 3 for $5, which is $1.67 per block. Okay, so in that instance, it's cheaper for me to go to Harris Teeter and utilize the rebate because the final cost is going to be less. If I buy it at Harris Teeter, it's $1.67 minus 50 cents makes it be $1.17 after the Albata rebate. But if I go to Walmart, it's $1.96 and I get 50 cents back, it's going to be $1.46. So in that instance, it's cheaper for me to go to Harris Teeter. Now, am I going to always know that? No, I'm not. Okay, I'm going to only know that if I'm checking my weekly ads. You know what products you're shopping for or what products you need. Now, I will tell you, I utilize Flip. It is an app, FLIPP, and it usually has sales ads for different stores on there. So you can type in a product and you will be able to see if that product is on sale that week, okay? But it all comes down to the fact of whether or not that store has that rebate listed, okay? It may not. Every store does not have every rebate. That takes me to my next question. This lovely person says, I see a lot of people post Avada hauls from Walmart. Would you say that's the best place to shop for Avada deals? I would say 100% yes, but I have a second place winner. My first choice is Walmart because Walmart has a plethora of rebates for you to redeem. Okay, if you put Walmart against other stores, you have way more choices at Walmart of rebates that you can do. Now, that is the reason why I prefer to do Walmart first. Okay, now my second choice is Publix, and the reason why my second choice is Publix is because Publix seems to have a variety of variations of a product. If you notice with Albata, a lot of times they have products on there that you've never tried, you've never heard of, and you don't even know the product exists until you see it on Albata. That's what makes Albata great, okay? But I noticed with Publix has different products and different brands that you don't necessarily see at Walmart. And I'm gonna say a little higher end products or a little more expensive products. That's what makes using the Albata app so great, because you're able to try products that you wouldn't normally try and you get money back for doing it, okay? So that's why Publix is my second choice. Let us know in the comments below of the video your first choice of where you like to do Albata rebates and what is your second choice and why. Because I'm curious to know, perhaps there's another store out there that I need to be checking out, okay? Next question, guys, is do you get more deals if your team is making bonuses? If you're on a team that's new and they are not scanning receipts, can you sign up with someone else? My answer is no, and this is the reason why. Everyone has the potential to get bonuses each month because there are levels for each month, for each person, for each team. Here we are on my Avada app. We're going to go right here to teamwork. This is showing my teamwork. So this is February level 2. So if you see right here, it says your team has earned 20 of 20. You have redeemed 14 of 35 rebates. So that means I have got to, these two things have to be accomplished. That's already been accomplished by the team. This has to be accomplished by me. And then once I do that, I will get my credit for my level 2, which is the $1 for February. So you see, I've already done level 1. And if we click on level 1, you see, guys, for the team, your team redeems $20 worth of offers. It was the same thing. It's not hard for you to do. And the way Albata has it divided up, they have a certain portion of rebates that you need to accomplish for that bonus, for that month, for that level, and then for your team. That's the reason why it's important for you to build your team, because the more people that you have that are doing Albata, the easier it's going to be for you to get to that $20 threshold every month, which is really not a lot of rebates. once you suggest this great app to your family and friends. What I would suggest is to link your Facebook with your Avada account. That way you're able to suggest to your friends for them to join your team. That way you can build your own team. So when someone accepts your referral, you send them a link and they sign up with Albata. There's two things they're going to need to do. They're going to need to register a new Albata account on a device not associated with another Albata account. They're going to need number two. The second thing they would need to do is redeem a qualifying offer within 7 days. Any brand and any item offers do not qualify, okay? So that's a way that you can go ahead and just build your team. Now, you're not going to be able to go and jump on someone else's team because, like it said, that it's going to have to be on a device that's not already associated with Albata, and your device is already associated because you've already signed up, okay? So my suggestion is to build your team by referring your friends and family, you know? It's a great app. They're going to like it. You like it. They're going to like it. You're going to tell them what to do, and everybody's going to win because then everybody is going to be on each other's team. Now, of course, if you are watching this Albata video and you're new to Albata, you have not signed up, you can always use coupon Crystle's referral code. Join my team and you'll be sure to have your team goals met every month, okay? Next question, lovely people. This lovely person says, hey, I recently joined Albata. I think my sister used my code, but I don't see any rewards for that. Okay, what you need to make sure when someone uses your referral code that they in fact do a qualifying rebate, number one, because any item, any brand rebates don't qualify, and you need to make sure that they do it actually within 7 days. Next question. Lovely person says, I would like to know where in the store the items are located, just in general terms. Since not every Walmart is the same, I would love to see if someone could just pan up and down the aisles and zoom in on the spot. I can never seem to locate half the Albata items. Okay, what I will try to do in the future is for unfamiliar items, things that we don't see, rebates we don't do very often, I will try to start to incorporate that in the video. Let me know in the comments below if that's something you guys would like. Now, of course, keep in mind that is going to vary by store. What I try to do is I go to my Walmart app. In the search bar, I type in the product that I'm looking for. Then it's going to show me the location. It's going to have perhaps a letter and a couple of numbers, which is actually showing me the actual location in the store. And I can find it that way because it has like a little map, little section. It gives you a little general area. It's going to kind of narrow it down for you to be able to find it. Of course, each Walmart is kind of set up differently, but it'll kind of put you in that general area. Even if I do show you in my video where it is in my store, that does not mean it's going to be in that exact same location in your store. But don't be afraid to ask an associate. The way Walmart is set up, each location has a number, so when the people that are stocking know where to put things. The aisles have letters and numbers, and the locations on the coolers, the locations on the coolers with the doors, even the produce is numbered. You may just haven't noticed it. All right, lovely people, that is all. I hope you guys will tune in for the remainder of my Albata series. I will be doing additional videos to help you guys with your Albata journey. And of course, I will always do my Albata rebate hauls, okay? Let me know in the comments below of the video if this was helpful for you guys. If you found it informative, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell for notifications so you will be able to tune in on future videos that I do in reference to Albata and other couponing. If you guys have any more questions that you would like covered in this Albata series, please drop them below. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.